Shrina will intercept the puck instead. And they'll get it over to Al Capable again, their go-to guy. Back to Giacomin. And then the puck goes directly to Tom Buchholz, who takes the shot. And finally, we have our first goal for the Grey Wolves. And he'll pass it over to Shrina. And Shrina's looking and passes it over to Matt Shrina. And Buchholz will block his pass, pick up on it, and he'll pass it over to Jim Becker. And then skates for the puck. And foul though, and nothing happened. Buchholz with the puck, and he's on a breakaway. And the puck's sitting there, and it's Chuck Falbo who taps it in to tie this game up at 1. Field once again breaks it up, and now it's Rick Gallant with the puck. Buchholz with us, with the denial, but Gambone blocks the shot. Tom Buchholz now with the puck, passes it to Angelo Pontello, to Lou DeMezza, to Buchholz with the shot. Oh, and Buchholz was set up perfectly by Lou DeMezza and Angelo Pontello. Here's Galgay with the puck now, passes it over. If Ray Toller can reach it, we could see something. And Buchholz puts Toller off balance. Over to Rick Gallant. Gallant passes it over, intended for Desaligners, and it goes away. Now it's over to Mark Giacomin. There we go, Giacomin. Now it's to Acero. Buchholz blocks the shot, and he'll clear it out. Hector Flores with the puck. He passes it over to Rockhill, and Buchholz gets up. Angelo Pontello looking for the puck, and it's knocked out by a Yellow Jacket. It's Buchholz versus Hyman. Who's going to get to it? And the puck gets knocked away. Arnie Strader. The game begins. Sabler bounces it off the boards. Matt Shrina had a chance. Matt Shrina had an opportunity to pass it to Randy Cristiano. He did, but he tries to set up, looking to pass it. He does Peter Galgay, but then Tom Buchholz breaks it up.